Can somebody, in this case me, with a classical music and rock music background, write a convincing jazz guitar solo? That's a question I'm asking you, but also one that I asked myself after creating my latest chord progression tutorial. In a nutshell, I created a very long and relatively complex chord progression by using 5 easy to follow steps. It ended up sounding so jazzy to my ears that I just had to write a melody to it. I just had to. The chords themselves already sounded quite jazzy, especially the part where I have major 7 chords. But when I started experimenting with some jazz drum grooves from my drum library, it was complete. To finish it off, I wrote a bass line, and here we are. You're listening to the final result right now. I'll be giving it my absolute best to write a melody to this chord progression using the knowledge that I have as a classically trained composer. So, to all the pro jazzers watching, I'm definitely not a jazz cat, so please be mild with your criticism. Let me know in the comments what you think, if I passed or failed this test, and if I should create a breakdown video for this melody. And if you think my jazz attempt was just slightly better than horrible, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Stay inspired, stay creative, and for now, see you next time.